Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of people are interested in. How long does a paysafe voucher last? I've gotten a lot of questions about this recently, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. So, let's get started. What is a paysafe voucher? Before we talk about how long a paysafe voucher lasts, let's first talk about what a paysafe voucher is. Paysafe is a prepaid payment method that you can use to make online purchases. It's similar to a gift card, except that it can be used at a variety of different websites and stores. Paysafe vouchers are available in a variety of denominations, from $5 to $500. You can purchase them online or at a number of retail locations. How long does a paysafe voucher last? The answer to this question depends on a few factors, including the type of voucher you have and where you purchased it. Paysafe e-vouchers. Paysafe e-vouchers are the most common type of voucher. They are purchased online and can be used immediately. Paysafe e-vouchers have an expiration date of 12 months from the date of purchase. This means that you have 1 year to use your voucher before it expires. Paysafe prepaid cards. Paysafe prepaid cards are physical cards that you can use to make online and offline purchases. Paysafe prepaid cards have an expiration date of 24 months from the date of purchase. This means that you have 2 years to use your card before it expires. Paysafe vouchers purchased at retail locations. Paysafe vouchers purchased at retail locations have an expiration date of 12 months from the date of purchase. This means that you have 1 year to use your voucher before it expires. How can I check the expiration date of my paysafe voucher? There are a few ways to check the expiration date of your paysafe voucher. Check the voucher itself. The expiration date is printed on the voucher. Check your paysafe account. If you created a paysafe account when you purchased your voucher, you can log in and check the expiration date of your voucher. Contact paysafe customer support. You can contact paysafe customer support and they will be able to tell you the expiration date of your voucher. What happens if my paysafe voucher expires? If your paysafe voucher expires, you will not be able to use it to make purchases. However, you may be able to get a refund for your voucher. To get a refund for your paysafe voucher, you will need to contact paysafe customer support. You will need to provide them with the following information: your voucher number, the date you purchased your voucher, the reason why you are requesting a refund. Paysafe will review your request and determine if you are eligible for a refund. If you are eligible, they will refund the money to your original payment method. How can I avoid my paysafe voucher from expiring? There are a few things you can do to avoid your paysafe voucher from expiring. Use your voucher as soon as possible. Write down the expiration date of your voucher in a safe place. Set a reminder in your calendar to use your voucher before it expires. I hope this video has helped you to understand how long a paysafe voucher lasts. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I also encourage you to leave a comment below and let me know what you thought of this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.